Dear learners, welcome to NIOS, the video series. The subject is Home Science, lesson number 16. The title is Household Equipments. We have discussed part 1 and part 2 of the lesson. Now this is part 3. Let me give you a short summary of part 1 and part 2. We discussed about the household equipments, the two categories, electrical equipments and non-electrical equipments. In part 1 and 2, we discussed about different household equipments that are used on a daily basis. The two categories, the two classifications, first is electrical equipments and non-electrical equipments. We talked in depth about it. In electrical equipments, we discussed about refrigerator, television, mobile, etc. that are used on everyday basis. In non-electrical equipments, we discussed about the utensils that are there in the kitchen, the gas stove, solar cooker, sewing machine, etc. Remember that. We discussed about cheaper goods and expensive goods, the usage, the needs, etc. Now in part 3, I will be asking you questions from part 1 and 2. I will sign the question first and you have to remember what the answer is and write down in your notebook. After I have signed the questions, I will sign the questions and answers so that you can match your answers if they are correct or not. Let's begin. Question. The question is, I will be signing a statement. You have to tell if the statement is true or the statement is false. You have to write in your notebook if it is true or false. First statement. Only electrical equipments like television, microwave, etc., they are labor saving. The non-electrical ones are not labor saving. Only electrical ones are labor saving. Do you think that's true or false? Write in your notebook. Second statement. Non-electrical equipments, they are manually operated. You have to use your hands and you have to use it yourself. For example, cleaning the utensils, etc. They are manually operated, right? Is it true or false? Think about it and write your answer. Third statement. Electrical equipments that are bought with ISI mark are good ones. Is it important to have that? Right or wrong? Fourth question. Expensive equipments fulfill the family needs than the inexpensive ones. Only expensive ones do that. You think that's true or that's false? Write down your answer. Written? Now let's discuss the answers. Of the first statement, I had asked you, only electrical equipments are labor saving, like television, refrigerator, geyser, etc. They are labor saving. Non-electrical are not labor saving. Right or wrong? True or false? It is false. False, why? Because both non-electrical equipments are also labor saving. Both are labor saving. Both save our time and energy. Second, non-electrical equipments are manually operated. You have to use your hands for that. Right or wrong? The answer is the non-electrical equipments, yes, they are manually operated. You have to use your hands, for example, washing the utensils, cleaning the floors, etc. Cooking using different utensils, etc. The third one, An ISI mark is given to all electrical equipments. It is important, right or wrong? True or false? True, it is. An ISI mark is an important one. We all need it for the electrical equipments. ISI mark always has to be there. Fourth, expensive equipments fulfill the family needs more than the inexpensive ones. It's important to only have expensive ones. True or false? False. It is false. We all need both expensive and inexpensive items. Inexpensive items also have a very, very good value in the house. For example, utensils are not that expensive, but we need them. They are also the equipments. Refrigerator is expensive. We need that too. So we have to be logical in both expensive and inexpensive products. Remember to just always read the instructions, then you can use them for the good. Hope you enjoyed the question answer round. Keep learning, keep reading, and keep observing the equipments in your house. Enjoy. Thank you.